car is currently tuned by Airboy here in Calgary, and I use the Accessport to monitor the car's vitals, pretty much its health, if you want to look at it that way. I like to monitor pretty much DAM, feedback knock, and fine knock learn, because those are the things that are really important, especially if you have a Subaru. I picked up the ProClip mount for the Cobb Accessport V3 because the way it sits right in the A-pillar, your eyes don't have to stray too far away from the road when you're driving, and you can focus more on what's important in driving. All it takes is a quick glance to look at the gauges on the Accessport, and then that's it.
Yeah. Now, take the screwdriver and tighten the middle. I got the, I forget the name, dude. I got